Welcome back again, episode 378, No Edits Crypto. Jam-packed with news today and the market update a little bit before 1 p.m. EST on Tuesday, May 21st. First story in the news today, Bitcoin exchange Kraken raises $6 million equity funding in 2 days. Actually, it's crossed 6.55 million now, according to fundraising page on Bank to the Future, which Kraken is using to gather the funds. Investors have already contributed 5.87 million pounds, 6.55 million of the total 9.13 million pounds, $10.2 million target. In doing so, Kraken has thus passed its minimum threshold of 5,552,073 pounds as of May 21st. We are always looking for ways to democratize access to our equity, allowing more of our valued clients to become valued investors, officials commented on social media. So big news for the Kraken exchange as they get more and more funding and they're progressing there. SEC delays decision on VanEck SolidX filing and latest Bitcoin ETF Setback. No one even cares anymore about this. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission has delayed again a decision on Bitcoin exchange traded fund ETF proposal. This is via Nicholas Day CoinDesk. In a new document filed Monday, the SEC said it was instituting proceedings on whether to approve or disapprove a proposed rule change that would allow the VanEck SolidX Bitcoin Trust to issue and list its shares. The regulator invited comments from the public due 21 days from when the order is published in the Federal Register, and rebuttals to those comments due 35 days after such publication. The new deadline for the SEC to make a decision is August 19th, and it can delay one more time for a final deadline of October 18th, Attorney Jake Chervinsky tweeted. So I wouldn't hold my breath until the last Hail Mary deadline there in October. As it's been delayed many times, but the market and Bitcoin community seem not to care as the price is up today. Into the third story, which is a bit of irony. JPMorgan now has come out and said that $2.63 trillion behemoth JPMorgan Chase and Company has said now that after in 2017 Jamie Dimon called Bitcoin a fraud, not a real thing that will eventually die, and now JPMorgan has come out and said that Bitcoin has intrinsic value. So I'm pretty sure that JPMorgan, a lot of people said they were caught up buying cryptocurrency and Bitcoin at the same time they were saying it didn't have value. So more reason to not trust banks, and that is why we are doing blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies to make them a relic of the old world. Third story, another story about the fascist nature of government in corporate America today, as Brad Sherman earlier this month came out and said that called for an outright ban of cryptocurrencies. And Ron Paul was asked about this, America's Last Statesman, during Consensus Week. He attended Consensus Week, and he had a little bit to say about it. He said, "That tells you a lot. He's speaking for the deep state establishment, military people, and everyone else in the banking system. He's representing their position that you don't mess with the dollar, but I don't worry about that because the dollar is going to self-destruct." So, cryptocurrency, Bitcoin in particular, giving people a hedge against the dollar. It's pretty obvious that over the last century it's lost 98% of its purchasing power. So, if you want to hold on to the value of your money, it might be a good idea to look elsewhere than fiat currencies that only last 30 years on average. Into the market today, Bitcoin Cash was up on a tear this morning of 20%, but has since came back down to the mean a little bit here. Bitcoin up 0.43% for the day at $7,874. Ethereum up 0.72%, $248.83. Bitcoin Cash up 1.06%, $406.87. Bitcoin Cash actually got up to $445 today, pretty early this morning, around 9 a.m. EOS up 0.57%, $6.22. Litecoin up 0.57%, $90.30. To Monero up 0.82%, $88.10. Dash down 0.28%, $160.88. Ethereum Classic even $7.36. Neo down 1.76%, $12.02. Steem currently up 0.47. Steem currently up 4.97% at 37 cents. So Steem making a move back to 40 cents. And lastly, Flash currently down to 0.0027 cent, down 11.67% for the last 24 hours. So Steem not having a good start to the week. Bitcoin dominance at 56.84%, and aggregate market cap $245,482,200,000. That is the Tuesday wrap up. Everybody have a good Tuesday.